so huge. They are here because wow, that's my dream. Let's try it on the real ocean, on the real wave.
Hey!
So guys, hello. We are now located in Punta Mita on the west coast Pacific, and this place is fine for surfing, and I didn't like it much really. I will show to you the seaside. I mean, you have here the sea, the waves, and even the pelicans. Look how huge they are. So huge. They are here because here they have fresh fish, and look, they all want to eat it. Huh. Hola. And they all want to eat it. Here you can find a lot of seafood, fresh seafood, and fishers, marina. Marina looks like this, boats. And surfing, that's all about the Punta Mita. But here you can take also one interesting excursions to the islands, Islas Marietas it's called, and it's like hidden beach. And here you also can find, wow, that's my dream to see the whale, like real whale in the wildlife. Wow. And the whales you can see here in the season from December till March. The surfboard, first time in my life. This is my dream. They just explain me how to use it, how to stand up. I mean, it's usually you just lay down, pam, and after like put the legs only here, only on this line. You need to be like this, like straight, pam, and sit down like this. So let's try it on the real ocean, on the real wave. I don't believe.
Professional surfers from Hawaii, Monclova, Tarechi to the world. Champion.
Did you catch a wave?
7,000.
7,000.
Yeah. Take it. Come on. Professional from Tarechi to the world. Hey! See how professional she is. She's gonna use the surfboard the other way around. See, she's drowning. And the boyfriend is just laughing. Very good. This is the love.